Hello, is here. Well, this is I share also you everyone or something else is big. So in here you can see is here is production. So it can hear can see here. Okay. Now we can it's remove or you can see is a new outfit in here. Here is okay, you can see is here. Yeah, okay, now is here fit is already done for in ground. Okay, here is now is everyone you can see is here, so is full out really out where fit and in count AMS or you can show is removed by professional the so now is remove or fit. Okay, you can see so remove or you can see is here. Okay, you can see is here. So now okay, here is remove or fit also you can see is here. Oh no, okay is here. So you should go to meet you can see is professional or this mode. You can see is here some of uh, my video is a professional of in ground or professional of fit. So some of it cannot post on YouTube because some of things you can see is here. Okay, you can see is here. Nail is in ground or remove cut it by professional the is professional in ground. As you can see is here of full of my video show in here. Okay, you can see here. Okay, you can look at the video. So is some here is in ground is professional. Okay, is here. So you can is here or you can see is on my feed. So is fit and here fit. So is here fit. Okay, you can see hot out with a professional doctor. You can short is remove is professional. My YouTube is professional. So you can see is here. Okay, you can see here is so now you can you can everyone you can fit. Oh no, professional. Thank you for your watching.